Hello everyone, this is Unboxer King and welcome to the channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a couple of merchandise from the 2024 Welcoming Collection. This is the Treasure Pilot MD. So we have two here. We have here the photo card package, and then we have the photo set pack. So I only purchased these two merchandise from the Pilot MD because these are the merchandise that will provide you a complete OT10 photo cards. So this comes with a pre-order benefit, and this is the pre-order benefit. I got June 1. Nice. Okay, so let's open it up. Let's do a quick unboxing of this merchandise. Let's start with the photo card package. So this is it. So this is the front, the spine, and then the back. Nice. So it's literally just a box that you could house your photo cards, which is really nice. And then it comes with an OT10 Polaroid photo card set. So let me show you this Polaroids. There you go. So we have here Yoon Suk. We have there Jihoon, Yoshi, Jungkyu, Jaehyuk, Asahi, Doyoung, Haruto, Jungwoo, and Jungwon. Nice. So these are all the Polaroid photo cards, and this is the back. So that's the photo card. That's the photo card package. There you go. Next, we have this one. This is the photo set. This is really nice. I like the texture of this merch. And then we have their Treasure, and then the Treasure Pilot logo. And then, oh, this is really nice. It's very reflective, but it has some, what's this? I did not research what are the inclusion in this package, so I'm not really sure what this is. So I guess it's something that you could use. Not really sure. Comment down below what this is. And then we have some Polaroid set. Okay, let's look them up. So these are the Polaroids. So we have here Yoon Suk, Jihoon, Yoshi, Jungkyu, Jaehyuk, Asahi, Doyoung, Haruto, Jungwoo, and Jungwon. That's really, really nice. I love that. Okay. And then I don't know if there are other things here. Okay, so there are some, is this stickers? So there are some Treasure Pilot stickers. Nice. And then, of course, this comes with a OT10 photo cards, which is why we're purchasing this one. There you go. So these are the photo cards for the photo set. So we have here Yoon Suk, Jihoon, Yoshi, Jungkyu, Jaehyuk, Asahi, Doyoung, Haruto, Jungwoo, and our maknae Jungwon. Nice. And this is the back for this set. There you go. So this is my unboxing of the Pilot MD. This is specifically the photo card set and the photo set. If you like this kind of content from Treasure, please consider subscribing to my channel. We'll be updating these photo cards on my Treasure binder, most probably on the next video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye!